Trump's the motherfucker.
You always gotta let the blonde girl lead first, because we gotta let the blonde girl die.
I'm the blonde girl, dude.
Fuck her corpse. Yeah, we're gonna fuck your corpse. Look at those fucking
Okay, so where should we go?
I can't see Chase.
Wait. Let's ask for directions.
There's nothing on these signs
Listen, there's
at all.
McDonald's.
Oh, look at the
I
sky.
can read it.
It looks so pretty.
There's a fucking McDonald's down the road.
It looks so pretty.
Aurora.
Who is in my face? Oh, it's Jacob.
Hey, you need to calm down, mate.
Aurora Borealis.
Hey.
Oh, goddamn.
Right up! Right up!
How am I supposed to sleep at night, guys?
Hello?
You just gotta be quiet
Little
so...
totem poles.
Be quiet so we can hear the things.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
There's one over
I
here.
hear one.
I see it.
I hear one.
Wait, let me
This
pick one up.
is the OG map.
Let me pick it up.
Chase sees
Oh,
it.
fuck!
Oh my god!
What?
So I almost
Fucking
died
run,
there.
fucking run. This game fucking
Oh, look where he is so we know not to look there. Chris, wait up.
Right, on the right.
If you have to look at the water. He doesn't turn towards the water. Oh my god, he's right behind you,
no.
Chase. Chase, he's like literally right there.
Oh my god!
I'm running. Yeah, I told you.
Fucking ain't Chase! He ain't Chase!
Holy shit, he is right behind you, though.
Oh look, there's a little shed right here. Let's see if we can find
Oh
him.
yeah, we're gonna camp in the shed.
No, we're
There's one
gonna
on
see
this
if we can find
thing.
some here.
There's one on this. There's not a shed, but there's one
He's
on
still
a...
behind me.
There's one on one of these.
I hear it. I see it.
Get it, Chris! Save us all! Fuck you, man! We're good. We're good. Now we need to get out of here.
I hear one.
There was one here. Yeah,
Here
I know
one.
where it is. I know where it is. Let me grab it.
I see it.
Let me grab. Wow, let me grab it, Chris, please. Fucking nutsack. I want to leave this game with one radio that I found.
Alright, are we good? Are we good? We got everyone?
That would be nice
Alright.
if I could actually see.
I know I'm right.
Let's turn it off on 3. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Alright, don't. No.
Okay, hey, look, I can look. Oh shit.
Follow me.
Oh shit, there's like two of them. What the hell? I just saw two of them. Oh my god, I'm so close to dying. Oh, I wanna die.
Oh my god,
Oh shit!
I'm dead! I'm dying!
I'm fucking dead.
You guys dead?
I'm fucking dead, guys.
No,
No, I didn't die. I survived.
I'm going
Dude, I
across the water.
was about to take off my headset.
Fuck, he's right
It's dangerous
there.
to go alone.
Chase,
Yeah.
no! Chase!
No, I wanna die.
He's right there,
No.
on the left. I mean, right.
Ah!
Fucking died.
He's right there! Throw him!
Oh, dude, my light is about to go out. Alright, someone else take lead. My light is about
Where
to go out.
are you guys? No! James! Oh, there you guys are.
Look
I'm
at
right
that
here.
doing.
I'm right here.
Why
No
am I
one's
freaking
taking
out?
lead. I can't take lead no more. My light's about to die out. Someone has to go.
Stop, I'm right!
Fucking
Okay.
Chase is scared about the rock.
Oh, you know, there has to be one over here,
Might
dude.
be-
This is like a monument.
Oh, god damn it!
Wait, there's one here for sure.
He fucking got me, guys. He
I'm
fucking
dead.
got
It's just
me.
you, Jacob.
How did he
It's
get
one right
you
here,
at the
behind
same
you,
time?
Jacob.
Did he just
It's
like,
right here on his chest.
No.
Right here. On the other
Yeah,
one.
there is one over
Look
here.
over here.
Behind me?
Turn to the left. Turn to the
Statues
left.
of
Right here.
him. These are
I'm a
statues of
genius.
him. I never knew that. These are statues of him.
You guys are just humping air right now. Now you guys are just kissing.
These are the moments we live for.
He's getting eaten.
These are the moments we live for.
These are the moments we live for. Oh, hey.
It's good to be dead. There's a fence this way, though. Look, there's a fence this way.
Oh, he just fucking died.
Oh.
We were 3 slipping ball sacks away. Is it
How
not
did he kill you?
That was 2. Okay. Fuck you guys. 19 minutes.
To me and Chris at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow, look at me going to... Wait, what? How did Chris go the furthest? What?
It always
One
is.
scream, one
Because I
scream, you
run.
guys suck!
Because I could run faster than you guys.
You ready for this? Yes. Oh, so I get to get in and go this way.
Chase
I
died.
died.
Are those
I died
screams?
when you guys
The-
split up.
No, the exclamation marks are screams. The puzzle pieces are, what's it called? Yeah.
I got my eyes on you. Look at that, dude. We were in a circle.
So that's a death? Or
No,
those,
the
like,
death is
deaths
a
or
heart.
whatever?
No.
A broken.
That's what I was yelling. Hey, we've
Shit,
already been here.
there's a lot of screams.
Alright, actually, I think you could see them and then you can scream. There's a
I
difference.
think, yeah, there's a death right there. Chase died.
I didn't die
He
yet.
split one off on his own and died.
Nah, I died.
Hey, Dad.
Now he died. Now he died.
And then you guys both died here.
And I died.
Yeah, then we both died. And then we got separated a little bit. Yeah, and I'm shaking, and we're just following him. Look, we were all in the park. We didn't go up at all. Right here is where we started to discover shit, and then it ended.
And then we went back up.
Why so serious?